This is a bit of a procrastinated video, taken way back in early January. One of the first clear days in a while, and the Skokomish River was flooding. Welcome back. Today I was more interested in exploring random places that had caught my attention online. There were two particular locations I wanted to check out and see how far I could access the areas. Lake Cushman Dam No. 2, or known as Skokomish Lake, and then the Skokomish River, and seeing how much the flooding was going around. As you can see, I have my GoPro set up to showcase the majority of area that I was driving through. This is Cushman No. 2 Dam. Completed in 1930, this dam stands at 235 feet tall. The construction was part of the Cushman Hydro Project, generating electricity to power more than 16,000 homes. As a result of its construction, it has created a 150-acre lake known as Skokomish Lake. The reservoir is stocked with rainbow trout every summer for recreational fishing. Available fishing is limited to boat or shore access. I headed my way back to Highway 101 and headed south to the Skokomish River. Water level reports were showing that the Skokomish River was likely overflowing the roadway going up the Skokomish Valley. Today's levels were in minor flood stage. Now, I will admit I am a bit of a jackass when it comes to pushing how far my car can handle different variations of road conditions, from forest routes to flooded roadways. There is a dream to have a more appropriate vehicle in the future, someday. There was more substantial flooding ahead of me. I did not want to take the effort to go on the wrong side of the road to avoid the flooding into oncoming traffic potentially on the other side of the curve. This is where I decided to turn around and head back, but not too far because I wanted to take my drone out and take a look at how much flooding was in the area. Substantial amounts of overflow had taken up going over the river and across the valley. The area on the right of the road here is not actually a lake or anything, it's all supposed to be dry land. There is actually a forest route that I know that I can take to get beyond this. It would have brought an extra half hour of driving effort to get there. This is a spot where I turned my car around. Flying the drone back to me, I saw a bus coming in, and I just had to see what this bus was going to do around the floodwaters. It didn't disappoint and just casually went forward, all the way. The small creek that typically goes across the field here had swollen into a small river. It was homeward bound for me, but not before I had some more fun going through the accumulated water across the roadway. On my way out, the estuary to my left caught my attention, and I had a little bit of battery life on my drone, so I decided to get a few more shots. This is the south end of the Hood Canal. Off in the distance is the Olympic mountain range. Seasonally, bald eagles flock to this area. You could say at the similar time, fishermen also come here. Thanks for watching. If you're liking what you see in here, be sure to give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more and keep up to date on the latest adventures I go on, be sure to click subscribe.